Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths, and today we're tasked with differentiating this expression e to the 4x times 3x to the 4 minus x all to the power of 6. We're going to need the product rule to do this. We're also going to need the chain rule to do this part. The product rule is written out here. We have u and v as parts of that, so I've identified those here. And the first thing I'm going to do is just go through and separately identify these parts. So u is e to the 4x. Du dx is 4e to the 4x. Okay, I hope that's clear. We differentiate this, we bring the result here, and we multiply by the original function of e to get the differential. V, that's a badly written v, is 3x to the 4 minus x to the 6. And to get dv dx, we're going to have to use the chain rule. Okay, so what does that involve us doing? Well, it is going to be 6 times this times the differential of this, effectively. So that is, let's do this here, 6 3x to the 4 minus x to the 5 times 12x cubed minus 1. Okay, so we have all our parts here, and all we have to do now is put them together. So the product rule says that the differential of this will be this times this plus this times this. So what could be simpler? Well, a lot of things could be simpler. There's plenty of scope for mistakes here. So let's start out with u. That is e to the 4x. And we multiply that by dv dx. So that is going to be, just for the sake of convenience, we'll write it this way: 12x3, because I didn't leave enough room to stick the 6 in here, minus 1 times 6 3x to the 4 minus x. That's the first part of this taken care of, and my apologies, I just didn't leave enough room here when I put in the bracket. So I've put this as the second expression here. That is all to the power of 5 plus v. Now v is 3x to the 4 minus x to the 6, 3x to the 4 minus x to the power of 6 times du dx. So that is times 4e to the 4x. And that, in an untidy form, is the differential of e to the 4x times 3x to the 4 minus x to the power of 6. Now this can be tidied up a little bit. So let's set about doing that. 6e to the 4x, 3x to the 4 minus x to the 5 times 12x to the 3 minus 1 plus 4e to the 4x into 3x to the 4 minus x to the 6. Now, it can be written in a variety of ways. Someone who's quite daring might feel like expanding this. I don't know why, but you could anyway. Either in this form or this form, it's the same thing, and that is the differential of this. It's interesting in that it requires the product rule, but in order to achieve an answer in the middle of this, you have to employ the chain rule. And you're going to see that more and more as you get further into differentiation, a combination of rules. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.